Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Cash App card order. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, first of all, open up your Cash app and now go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right corner. Now from over there, you simply have to scroll down a bit and simply access your account, and from this list of options you're going to choose this option of support. Then from over there, simply go ahead, scroll down from the what can we help with section and tap on this option of something else. And then from over there, simply go ahead, choose the cash card as the topic. And now again, simply go ahead, scroll down and tap on this option of contact support in the bottom. And then from over here, simply go ahead, tap on this option of not about transaction. Then finally, you will be led to this section where you will be able to talk to support directly. Simply go ahead, tap on this chat option. And now you will be able to chat with their online agent. Go ahead, write them down at the exact concern of yours, which is simply of your canceling the Cash App card order. Simply go ahead, let them know and regarding your request, and you will know further steps to do. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.